Now we are going to explore command line searching. While this is more for the expert searches or someone more experienced with searching, we're still going to take a look at the tool because I think it still is useful. You'll notice that you don't see it here. You need to navigate to advanced search and then you'll see that command line is offered. So it looks a bit like your advanced search, but it gives you a lot more free range of what you can enter. So you can select your operators, you can select search fields directly from here. So let's do another sample. I am looking for the subjects. So let's just do a subject heading. So you see if you hit add to format, it gives it to you so you don't have to remember these codes. We're going to make our subject assistive technology. We are going to again add that and operator and add education like we did for our advanced search, but we are also going to do another and. We're going to add disabled because we want to look at the use of assistive technology in education by disabled students. Publication dates, let's go with the last 3 years. As we saw in the advanced search, a lot of the results were in more recent years. You'll notice you don't have too many pre-search qualifiers here. You could just do full text, peer-reviewed, or publication date, not as many that were offered like the advanced search. But let's do that search and see what happens. So you notice we only get 40 results. That's a lot less results than we had before because we really limited it here. But again, your command line search still offers your post-search qualifiers. You can do all the same things you did with advanced search and basic search, but it just gives you a little more free range of your searching, and it allows you to play around with it and just using your facets, create those different strings of search using your operators, your truncations, your wildcards, and anything that you feel like that you could use.